Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to check out today's video. So I want to talk about the Michael Todd's Sonic Clear Petite, you guys. I have been holding this thing in my basement for 2 or 3 years, and I finally decided to pull it out and give it a go. So what comes in the box when you purchase one of these? It comes with a case to store your Sonic Clear Petite brush in. You guys, I absolutely love that it comes with the case. I only have one downfall about this case, but we'll discuss that later. The brush design I decided to go with is this more floral kind. Yeah, your girl is a big girly, but I love the colors. I thought it was so cute. When I say that this thing is petite, you guys, it's truly petite. But FYI, this will make a great gift for a preteen, a full teenager, or a full grown woman, you guys. In the box, it comes with instructions. It tells you a little bit about the brush and how to use it. Okay, a little bit about this brush since I'm on that topic. The benefits of it is that it helps remove dirt, oil, sweat, and makeup. It's okay for smaller pores. It has a gentle exfoliation and it prevents breakouts. So as you guys can see, I'm showing you the charger. I absolutely love the cord, but it doesn't come with the actual, I don't know what you call the little thing that you plug into the wall, the charger itself. So that black charger that you see is my personal charger, but it does come with the USB cord. One of the things I love about the USB cord is that it has a magnetic in it. So you just place it on a handle of the brush and the brush handle just kind of draws it to it. So I love that. I think it makes it preteen and teenage friendly. Again, you guys can see the magnetic charge there. The downfall about the case and the cord is that I can't store the cord in the case with the brush. So I wish the case was a little bit bigger. The buttons are very smooth, you guys. You have your regular on and off. You can set the settings by pressing the buttons that you see. Also, there goes the brush. The brush bristles are very gentle. I have no complaints. It's very soft. You can just untwist it off when it's time to replace and twist it back on once you have a new one. So we're going to do some test and trial. As you guys can see, I have a full face of makeup here, and the benefits is that this thing helps remove all of that. So we're going to see. Also, you guys, this Sonic Clear brush is waterproof, okay, and water submersible. It has a 3-speed setting. It is antimicrobial protection, automatic timer, serum infusion, and in some cases you have a 3-year warranty. So as you guys can see, I do have a few breakouts, and that's just simply from me drinking an orange juice. Now, the instructions does say make sure you use your acne soap or product of your choice. I didn't have any, so I decided to use my peppermint soap. You guys, I do not recommend you using this soap and this brush because that tingling sensation was times 10. I almost fell out, okay? This thing here is clinically tested, scientifically proven. 100% reported cleaner, softer, healthier looking skin. 90% reported a reduction in improvement in pore congestion. And 87% reported an improvement in the look of their skin and the firmness of elasticity. All of that sounds all well and dandy. I will need to give this thing a 30-day trial. Now, what I will say that I don't like about this thing is that the bristles doesn't turn on their own. So when you use this, you will definitely have to go in a circular motion manually because it doesn't auto circular on your face. So that's one of the downfalls that I do have. The price point of this product was not bad. However, you can purchase it in various places. I believe Ulta sells it, Belk sell it. I got mine off QVC or HSN, one or the two, but I believe both of them sell it as well. So that concludes today's video. I hope this was helpful, you guys. Again, I'll follow up in 30 days and let you know what my thoughts are. And that is it. Talk to you guys later. Smooches. Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to check out today's video. So I want to talk about the Michael